YouTube. Never fear, the Sneaker Professionals back with another sneaker video and pickup gift from Shoes Up Sleeves Down. Got me a shirt, and yeah, let me show you the shirt really quick for my birthday. Thank you, brother, once again. Batman. Really like the feel of it and how it actually feels on me, but the material feels really good. And yeah, they do great shirts. And yeah, real quick, I just wanted to do this video as this pickup I got for Bean, and I already reviewed this sneaker, so it's more of like I'm just putting out a little content, nothing crazy. So picked these up through StockX. He's seen Naeem's pair, so then he wanted up as well. You know, I just picked up the Air Max DNs for him, the light smoke gray, but he saw these and he wanted them. Pamphlet. They never really sent this. There it is, Mambasita, Kobe's. See how they're looking. They look good. Let's see. Yeah. I thought the one came with the little gold. Oh, they took it. It's right here. They took it off to put the tag. Okay. It's there, but not on the sneaker. And then this one has it because of the extra lace. Yeah. It looks good. Fire. Look at that transition. It's so sick. The fade. Man. But yeah, just wanted to bring you this quick video. Was gonna wait to do a video with another pickup that I reviewed, and it was another Naeem pickup that he got super early, months in advance, and then we finally got the release late May, and I was able to hit through Undefeated. That's as much info I could give you until I do a quick pickup video. You know, I already did the review. It's just more of letting you know which one it is. But yeah, man, this is a quick video. That's it. So hope you enjoyed this, and I'm signing out. Peace.